Welcome to Tech Hints for Authors and Bloggers. My name is Barb Drozdowicz and I teach WordPress. Today we're going to learn how to embed a YouTube video within a WordPress post. So, what you have in front of you is obviously a fake post. What we're going to do is pretend that this is actually real words and this is a real post. And we're going to put the YouTube video within the document. So not at the beginning or at the end. We're going to put it in the middle. So the first step that we do is I'm going to put a series of X's here. In almost all cases, when you're working on your WordPress blog, you're working on the visual aspect or the visual tab of your blog. There is another side to your blog, and that's called the text, also known as the HTML side. This is the side of the WordPress blog post that we're going to be looking at to put the YouTube video in place. So I have my string of X's here, and this is where we're going to put the code. So now we have to go get the code. So we're going to go over to the tab here, and this is one of my YouTube videos. Go to the bottom, and you'll see a series of choices here. We're going to click on Share. As soon as we click on Share, we have three choices. Share, and by share it means by various social media. Embed, which is what we're going to use, or the choice of emailing it to somebody. So for now, we're going to go back to Embed. You'll notice that right underneath Embed, we have a line of code that's highlighted in blue. So at this point, we have two choices. We can either just copy this code, or we can alter it. If we scroll down just a little bit further, you'll see that we can adjust the size of the video screen. So in other words, what we will end up seeing on our blog post. So let's say we want it actually 500 pixels wide. Then as soon as I enter 500 and hit my tab key, it adjusts the other size so that it's proportional. And you'll notice the 500 has moved up here. The 500 and the 280 have moved up here. So now we're going to highlight this code, copy it, go back to our post, and right where the X's are, that's where it's going to go. So I'm going to paste it. So we have a nice line of code. Click over to the visual side and you'll see a gray box. It's pretty uninteresting. The other thing that you'll notice is that it's sitting left justified. So to show you a little trick on how to center it, we're going to click at the beginning of the code and we're going to type center. You'll notice that the word center has a little funny bracket on either side, a less than and greater than sign if you wish. We're going to do the same thing on the other end of the code, but put a slash in it. So this is HTML code for centering this line of code. In other words, start centering it and end centering it. So now when we go back over to the visual side, you'll see that this gray box is in the center of this fake post. We still can't actually see the video. We won't see the video until the post is live or until we look at the post in preview. So I'm going to save this draft, then click on preview. Preview should bring up another tab showing what this will look like when it's live. I hope this helps, and I hope you try this on your blog. Have fun and practice.